Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. In this session, I am going to explain about some named reactions or some important named reactions in grade 12. It is taken from organic chemistry grade 12. The carbyl-amine reaction, Remer-Tiemann reaction, Cope's reaction for synthesis. These three reactions are very important reactions in the organic chemistry. It is the question is asked in essay question in a part 2. The part 2, any Remer-Tiemann reaction, Kolbe's reaction, carbyl-amine reaction. These three reactions are important in the organic chemistry. In the carbyl-amine reaction, the chloroform is warmed with a primary amine. The chloroform is written as CHCl3. The CHCl3 is called the name as chloroform. And the primary amine, it is taken from any alkyl or aliphatic or aromatic amine. If we taking aromatic amine or aliphatic amine in presence of alcoholic KOH, it forms a isocyanide. It forms a isocyanide or carbylamine as the product. In the product, isocyanide formed in the carbylamine reaction. This isocyanide carbylamine has extremely unpleasant smell. This reaction is therefore used to test primary amine. It is identification of primary amine. If any organic compound containing primary amine, so this reaction is used to identify the amine. In the named reactions, the carbylamine reaction is like this. In the if we taking aromatic amine C6H5NH2. The C6H5NH2 we call the name as aniline. Aniline. It is reacting with chloroform CHCl3. The formula of chloroform is CHCl3, and in presence of alcoholic KOH, it forms the reacting to give a phenyl isocyanide. For our convenience, the reaction NH2, the primary amine, is now written as NH and NH, and chloroform CHCl3 I have written as CHCl. In this 3 potassium atoms and 3 chlorine atoms, 3 KCl, the potassium chloride is removed, and in this 1 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, these 3 hydrogens and these 3 OH groups to remove water molecule, 3 times of H2O, and the remaining carbon atom and C6H5N. The bond is between the nitrogen and carbon is the bond between the C6H5 and C. We call the name as phenyl isocyanide. Cn called as cyanide and Nc called as isocyanide. Cn called as cyanide, Nc called as isocyanide. The phenyl isocyanide is formed in the carbylamine reaction. What the reaction is formed? C6H5NH2, any primary amine, alcohol, that means aliphatic amine or aromatic amine, reacting with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, it will remove phenyl isocyanide. It is the phenyl isocyanide is formed in the primary amine. So we call this carbylamine reaction is used to identification of aniline or amine. Aniline or amine. This phenyl isocyanide is formed in the carbylamine reaction. This is called as carbylamine reaction. What happened to this reaction is carbylamine reaction. In the carbylamine reaction, the reactants are CHCl3 or any aromatic or aliphatic amine and alcoholic KOH. The product is phenyl isocyanide or alcoholic isocyanide is formed in this reaction. And the next one is Remer-Tiemann reaction. And the next one is Remer-Tiemann reaction. When chloroform CHCl3, this is called as chloroform. CHCl3 called as chloroform. When chloroform is heated with a phenol, plus phenol and alcoholic solution of any base. Alcoholic solution of any base, NaOH or KOH, any base about 340 kelvins, 340 kelvins, it forms a orthohydroxy benzaldehyde or salicylaldehyde will be formed. It forms a orthohydroxy benzaldehyde or salicylaldehyde will be formed in this reaction. What happened to this reaction is that in the Remer-Tiemann reaction, when chloroform is heated with phenol and alcoholic NaOH or KOH, it is these three compounds are heated in 340 kelvins. It forms a orthohydroxy benzaldehyde or salicylaldehyde is formed. A small amount of para-hydroxy benzaldehyde is also obtained in this reaction. So, when can be separated to isomer by stream distillation. Orthoisomer can be stream distillation will be removed. So, the major product is para-hydroxy benzaldehyde in the Remer-Tiemann reaction. The reaction is like this. In the Remer-Tiemann reaction, the phenol, that means the benzene ring containing phenol OH group, this is called the name as phenol. The phenol reacting with chloroform CHCl3. The CHCl3 we call the name as chloroform and any alkali, NaOH or KOH, any alkali reacting to give a para-hydroxy benzaldehyde. This is formed 90% and orthohydroxy benzaldehyde is formed 2%. CHO. The CHO group is like this, 2%. This is formed 98%, remaining 2%, the para-hydroxy benzaldehyde is formed. This is removed in the stream distillation. This is orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. This is the orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. In the Cobb's reaction, the phenol is reacting with chloroform in presence of 3 moles of NaOH at it is heated in 340 kelvins. It forms a orthohydroxy benzaldehyde and para-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Orthohydroxy benzaldehyde we also called as salicylaldehyde. In this 2%, 98% orthohydroxy benzaldehyde is formed and 2% para-hydroxy benzaldehyde is formed. In those products, in the para-hydroxy benzaldehyde is separated to stream distillation and also form 3 times of NaCl and 3 times of water molecule. H2 same it is in the In the carbylamine reaction, phenyl isocyanate will be formed. The reactants are same reactants, that is chloroform and KOH, same alkali or NaOH. It is formed a phenyl orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is formed in the Remer-Tiemann reaction. And the next one is Kolb's reaction for synthesis. Next one is Kolbe's reaction for synthesis. In Kolbe's synthesis, we using phenol. Phenol is reacting with carbon tetrachloride. The chemical formula of carbon tetrachloride is CCl4. The CCl4 is called the name as carbon tetrachloride, and any alkali, NaOH or KOH, any alkali to form a salicylaldehyde. These reactions are very important in the board examination for a second year students. Salicylaldehyde, also called as salicylic acid, benzoic acid. In the Remer-Tiemann reaction, salicylaldehyde is formed, and in Kolbe's synthesis, salicylic acid will be formed. This is also called as orthohydroxybenzoic acid. The reaction is, the Kolbe's reaction is the phenol C6H5OH, I have written as benzene ring C6H5OH, phenol reacting with carbon tetrachloride and NaOH, any alkali NaOH, to form a orthohydroxybenzoic acid. This is called benzoic acid. In the ortho position, OH group is present. So I have written as orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Benzoic acid, 98% orthohydroxybenzoic acid is formed. Remaining parahydroxybenzoic acid 2%. In this, those compounds are separated in using stream distillation. In this reaction, what happened to this reaction is, the phenol is reacting with carbon tetrachloride in presence of 4 times of any alkaline, 4 times of NaOH solution. It forms a 3N4 NaCl is formed, and remaining is the COH groups are present in this reaction. This is called the Kolbe's reaction. What they are? The important name reactions are carbylamine reaction, Remer-Tiemann reaction, and Kolbe's reactions. These three are important reactions in the organic chemistry. Thank you students. Please subscribe and share your finds. Thank you.